Variations of our milling blocks. Today I will show you the different variations of our standard blocks. On the one hand, we have the Economie, a one-component milling block with a bevel. On the other hand, our standard, also with one bevel and with two components. Next, two variations of our three-component block. One is the Deluxe and the other is the Control. Deluxe with 50, 45 and 40 shore. Control with 60, 45 and 50 shore. Another variation, a modification of Deluxe for diabetics with an additional Reboflex layer, once 10 mm and once 3 mm as an additional cushioning layer. Each blank can be produced in different shore, hardness and colors. As the last variation, I would like to introduce our solid block. This is also available in different colors and is used for flip-flop production. We will happy to send you a test package.